Hello and welcome to another IT portal training video. In this video we're going to cover types within the portal. By default in the portal we define different object types for you just to make it easier for documentation. As far as object types, what we mean is, for example, if you look at devices here in the portal, we see that we've got firewalls defined. We even have monitors, printers, routers. So all of these types are predefined for you in the portal. We have some like domain names, SSL, certificates, and different contact types as well. So we use those types to structure the portal. So that way when you look at accounts or contacts, you can quickly navigate through those types to find what you're looking for. With KBs, we call these, instead of types, we call these categories. And then for each category, you have the ability to create subcategories as well. As you can see here, we have category Active Directory, subtype OUs, replication, and users, as you can see. In the portal, by default, users are not allowed to modify these or create those. If you do want users to be able to create those, under admin settings, site options, we have an option here to allow users to create object types. And what that'll do is, if they are a regular user and they go to add an agreement, for example, you can see here we have a plus sign. This is only allowed by the admins by default, and the reason why we do this is to ensure that we don't create additional clutter. The administration of types is something that should be administered by the organization, so that way you guys can determine exactly what it is within the portal that you want to document. The portal now will notify you if there are any types that are unused after a month of using the portal, but you can also customize those by going to admin settings, and then under groups and types here, for example, devices, you have the ability to add your own type, or you can remove some of the existing ones that we created. So again, we highly recommend that you go through the list that you have here and start cleaning some of those out. Now, one thing as well that I want to mention to you is that on the left side menu here, for example, we see devices. You do have the ability to categorize these into their own sections. So for example, if I wanted to add a section called network devices, I do have that ability, and we call those classes. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to do that. So I'm adding a network devices class. And then I'm going to move, for example, firewalls. I'm going to edit the firewall type, and I'm going to set it to the new network device class. I'll do the same thing for, let's say, switches. And how about routers, right? Because those are network devices as well. So now if I reload this menu here, we should see that our network device class exists, and we have those devices listed under those network devices. So that concludes our video regarding administration of types and setting up of classes. Again, we highly recommend that you as an organization, you and your team sit down and determine exactly what it is that you want to document within the portal, what you do not want to document, and start defining those types to have better clarity in the portal. Thank you.